Hi, my name is Nikki, and I will help you get started with Kooyal Aggregator. Aggregator helps you gather content from social media sources, curate the content, and finally share the content anywhere you like. It's an ideal tool whether you want to build trust by sharing customer photos for your products, or share memories being captured live during an event. Let's lay the groundwork by creating a collection. It will help you organize your content. In this example, we are creating a collection for San Diego Zoo. But you can create a collection for anything that you want to organize. You can fetch user-generated content from a platform like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram by adding a source. We are always adding new sources. First, we will add San Diego Zoo's YouTube channel SD Zoo as a source, since we want to fetch all videos on the zoo's YouTube channel. Next, we will select how we want to moderate the posts from this source. Aggregator even has an AI-based moderation that helps you automatically hide content with negative sentiments and profanity. We will select default to public, since we trust all content coming from the YouTube channel. I also added 2 more sources to fetch content from San Diego Zoo's Twitter account and any post tagging San Diego Zoo on Instagram. Let's take a quick look at the content that was loaded. Nice, it loaded the content and make them all public by default. But I can hide some of this content if I need to, like this. We are at the last step. Let's customize the content and share it by creating a destination. Here we are creating a destination for theater display. You can create as many destinations as you like to change the look and feel of your content. Now let's design our destination by using Aggregator Studio. I will use square card style. Looks better. We will be playing this in a theater, so I will select autoplay. Next, I will update the background and border to black color. Okay, this looks good enough for now. There are many customization options, and only imagination is the limit. Now let's see how to get this published. You can use a handy URL, or have your developer add a pre-generated code into any web page. This is what the destination looks like. Great work! You learned about 3 key steps to drive growth and engagement with user-generated content. Check out our documentation at kooyal.com/docs for more information.